name's Dan O'Neill. I'm with the Java development team for ArcGIS Server. And today I'd like to share with you some out-of-the-box features, functionality improvements and new features at 9.3 with respect to map results. And then I'll take you through a little bit of a demo which extends on our out-of-the-box map results functionality into some custom search features. So with that, I have a few slides to go through, and then we'll jump right into the demo. All right, so map results have been vastly improved at 9.3, and they allow us to have some custom icons, configurable icons, select fields in our map, alias fields in our map. We can actually set now the number of the results that are displayed. And everything's really configurable in a template for this call-out window that pops up, and it can be minimized, open to full extent, and of course viewed and not viewed. These map results are all defined in the layer definition class, and you can open up our vastly improved SDK, which has a Java doc for this, and allows you to show you how to take advantage of these features. Some of the steps here are we'd be defining a layer definition in our faces config file, and that would be a managed bean there. And from that, the task declaration in our config file will refer to the layer definition that we created. You can also, one of the tips that we provide here is that you can use Manager to create those entries and then copy and paste them in your developer IDE of choice. So an example of what that looks like is the top here. We have our managed bean tags associated with our query attribute task, and you'll see that we go through the layer definition property and we can add the value there. That task bean will refer to a layer definition in our managed bean lower in our config file. And you can refer to the doc for a full list of all these properties, but I have a few here for you, like returning fields and renderers and things of that nature. Some questions that come up with results to this new functionality and some of these improvements have been, can I change the icon of that push pin? That's absolutely configurable. Again, it's in our faces config file, and we can just go in and under the manage property tag, the property of file name, and we can go and change that to whatever image we'd like. And when I change it, another question is, can I change it so that the template expands when I hover over? And the answer to that would be yes as well. So with that, I'd like to go ahead and demo that feature and get right to it. So what I have here is a simplified map application that uses our basic USA data set, and I've got myself a custom search task embedded in the application. So I can go ahead and search, and I've configured this to search on states. So I can go ahead and configure this, go ahead and pick a state out and go ahead and search that state, and I will get my custom results back. And under those states, the state of Wyoming, and as you see, it automatically highlights. That's a new feature here. And then I have my pre-picked results box there. Now this can be tied directly into to the map results tag, as we'll see in a minute. I got my zoom, highlight, and clear highlight features that come out of the box, and we can go ahead and zoom in on the feature that we selected. And as I hover over there, I got my minimized map results, and when I click in there, I go ahead and get the full result set. And as you can see, that result set is now tied to the custom search results that I have over here in the corner. As I go back over here, I can obviously move that around and minimize at will. So what we showed here today is our improvements in the map results area, and some new features allow us to extend that search capabilities and integrate them into these new map results.